Hi everybody, my name's Alison. beebeecraft.com have kindly sent me some products to review. I've keeping code in the description below for 10% off your first order. It's Mum Paints 20. Also, all products will be linked below, plus the link to beebeecraft.com. You'll have to excuse me. You'll have to pause the video to cough, as I've just been diagnosed with COPD, unfortunately. This is my first talking video, so a bit nervous, so I apologise if I sound a bit weird and a bit, I don't know how to say it. Right, let's get going. Excuse the crunching of wrapping. There we go, that's the first bit off. Right, let's have a look what we've got. These are, well, let me find it on my thingy. The Pendle Hall Elite 90-piece sewing charms. Let's have a quick look if I can get in it. At least it's packaged well, they won't fall out. Right, how do we open this? Does it just pull up? Oh, let me open it up this way. There we go. Oh, and they're even in a bag inside, so they're not even going to fall out then, are they? What we got in it? Let's have a quick look. I won't empty them all out. I'll be able to. We've got little scissors. A hammer. I don't know what that's got to do with sewing, but oh, we've got even little sewing machines. Look, like vintage sewing machines. Oh, keep going the wrong place for the camera. As you can see, it is knitting wool and needles. I can't see if it's focusing because stupidly I forgot to bring my glasses in. We've got coat hangers. I don't know if there's anything else different. It's like two different coloured golds. That's like the, I don't know, antique-y. And then you've got like the bright gold. So that's them. They'll be in my project soon. And this is the Fingerspire Fancy Border Punch. Rackle, sorry. I know it's annoying noise, isn't it? Right, so it's Fancy Border Punch. And you see the pattern. Have I got a piece of paper handy? Put it on the packing thing. Let's have a look. Put it down. Oh, that's pretty. Can't wait to use that. That's really pretty, that is. Really pretty. Right, what we got in this one. Let's see if we can see on the packaging. I really should have brought my glasses in with me, shouldn't I? No. Let's have a look. Oh. Oh, yes. It's the Super Dent Metal Wallart Family Butterfly. It's going to be wall art, but it's not going to be. You even get these screws. You get the wall plugs and the screws with it. If you are just putting it straight onto a wall. but this will be incorporated onto either a new or recycled frame with something else. I don't know what yet. I haven't decided. Oh, it's back to front. Oh, it's quite good, and it's really sturdy. So you've got screw holes there, there. I presume that's what they are for if you want, you know, if you're hanging it on a wall. So I can't wait to use that. I don't know if I'm going to keep it black or whether I'm going to distress it, paint it another colour. I haven't decided yet. We'll find out in future project. This is the Super Findings 24 sheet marble pattern scrapbook paper. I don't do scrapbooking. I do a bit of all sorts at the moment. I do painting by numbers, as you've probably seen if you've watched my channel. I make things out of cardboard. And at the moment, oh, you get 2 packets. I didn't realise that. Well, is that because there's only 12 sheets? No. So I've actually got 2 packets. So I've got 48 sheets. And you get 2 of each pattern in each packet. But yeah, I use these a lot for backing on pictures. I'm doing, at the moment, I'm doing quite a few sort of orientated towards Mother's Day. So you get 12 sheets, 12 designs. So you get 2 of that one. There's a good variety of colours by the looks of it. So you could, that's me different flowers and different embellishments. So, oh, I like that one. Can you see? I don't know whether I'm getting focus here, but they're quite good. I mean, that looks, I mean, it says marble, but it looks like, I don't know, watercolory. Same as that. I'm into dark things. I like dark and I like rustic. That's a pretty one as well. That'd be nice with some lavender flowers. So that's them. So that's quite good. I didn't realise I've got 2. And I can't remember whether I asked for 2. But I've got 2. So that's wonderful. Right. What's in this? I think that's just holding it. I think that's just packaging that cardboard. Ah, yes. So, hang on. I think these are the Creatcabin 10-piece canvas print wall art. Tarot black poster, it says. But you see, these I should be using for backings on picture frames. Oh, they are canvas actually. Oh, it does say canvas print wall art, Alison. Excuse me. Let me pause because that's only a little cough. So, oh, really, these will be brilliant in the picture frames because they're not going to rip or anything. So what's that? Have I got it the right way up? Yeah, because of the moth. It won't look right that way, would it? That one isn't. Tree of Life in a moon and the moon phases. I mean, I'm not into tarot, but I like this sort of, the feeling dark. Triangle. Another moon. I don't know which way that, I think that goes with my moon tattoo. As you can tell, I'm into that sort of thing. So if you know what these symbols mean, but I actually don't. Well, that's a dragonfly. I know that. Oh, my daughter would like that because she likes cats. But they've all got the moon phases, I'm noticing. Oh yeah, and I like that because it's got a skull on it. Is that meant to be a snake round it? I think that's meant to be a snake round it. Sorry if you hear something. My neighbour has just decided to start drilling on the wall. Snake. And that is a lotus flower. So they're really nice. Can't wait to start doing some. Right, thank you for listening. Please like and subscribe, and look out for my videos using some of these beebeecraft items. And if you fancy anything off there, please use the discount code I've got below and follow all the links. Nice to be talking to everybody, and I got through it. Right, bye for now. Catch you on the next one.